Diba? Last minute. As we have for Sebastian. Kalamba. Wide open. Okay. Bola ng blue team. Seconds violation. Number 23, Didimang Castro. Kalamba. Didimang. Nasa ilalim. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Nasa ilalim. Ini 2 points. Number 6 minutes. Second play. 10 seconds to shoot. Pinasa sa orange. Pasok tayo. Didima. This is 2 points by Didima. 15-15 in favor of orange team. Wala ka rin ang blue team. Substitution. When 6 in. Lapas. Diaz de Salvador with the ball. Asking on the ball team. Salvador ulit. Ridley. Pass sa orange. Didima ang pass ko Kalamba. Foul. Number 6.
Diaz, third personal foul.
Dalawang gusto na para kay Kalamba. Second attempt. With 1-15 in favor of orange team. Diaz. Pasok number 14. Pinasa ilalim. Salvador. Pinasa namas. Pinasa sa orange team. Kalamba. Ay, Didima. Foul. Number 26. Holding foul.
Ardinian, second personal foul.
Dalawang gusto niya para kay Didima.
Reminder of proper bench decorum.
Last attempt by number 23. Lulog. Kami po ulit. Nasipa ang bola. Bola ng orange team. Kalamba. 7 minutes, 20 seconds remaining. Okay. Pinakaya. Hasta number 23. Same ball. Number 14 Mary, inbound. Same ball tayo. 8 seconds to shoot. Tinira. Easy to right side by Sebastian. Number 6, Diaz. Diaz foul. Number 2. 53-15 in favor of Orange team. 10 seconds to shoot. Diaz. Nakanin ang bola. Mas may parang 5 seconds to shoot. Layup 2 points by number 26, Pardina. For delaying the game. Kalabta. Kalabta. Pass to Sebastian. Living the racing number 23. Lima, 2 points. 55-17. In favor of Orange team, Diaz. Diaz. Second player, Diaz. Nasa Orange team. Pass to Malabang. Nagpasahan. 2 points.
Players, please stocking your shirts. Players, please stocking your shirts.
Wala pa lang pa rin ang building. As ulit. Ulit. Setting the play, tumira ng 3. Short. Bola na Orange team. 5 minutes and 30 seconds on the game clock. Pinasa. 2 point. Pasok. By number 53, Ramos. Number 2. Yan, ipaglalit. Pinasa. Gagalitan mo lang. Gao ng bitin. Gagay. Dahil balik-balik. Ng mga Orange team. Pancho. Pancho. Nakakabutin. Ganang press. Nalu. Nakadino. Nasa Orange team. 59-17. In favor of Orange team pa rin. Number 29, Pancho. Pancho, dribbling the ball. Hasta number 27. Nakabutin. Pancho. Nabala. Nabatia. Pass to Pancho. One open. Rebounds by Pancho. That's it. Number 29. Tumira. Natos. No good. 3 minutes. 42 seconds on the game clock. 62-17. Lamang na lamang pa rin ang Orange team. 2 points. 2 points. The number 27. Labadia. Luti. Number 5, Bartolome. Pass to number 14. Foul. Number 8. Blocking foul. Substitution next, substitution. Yung mga magsasab po, lapit po tayo dito sa committee.
Cedro, third personal foul.
Inuulit po for substitution, lapit po tayo dito sa committee. Thank you po. Pagsalalim. Pagsalalim. Foul number 14. Yan by Ramos. Basket. 64-18.
Stepping.
Go, go. Nakawin ulit. Nakawin natin na ulit ng 60. Nakarubuti. Orange. Pass to Pancho. 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 Pass to number 14. Sa ilalim. Traveling violation. Two minutes, 23 seconds, so the game clock. Warning for technical fault. Orange team. Again, warning for technical fault. Orange team. Bench. Hindi na. Dos. Pasok yan. 25. Adios. Dala-dala ni Pacho ang bola. 2 minutes, 30 seconds remaining on the game clock. Pass to number 14. Five seconds to shoot. 2, 1. No good ball, no good. Shot clock violation. Yes. 2 minutes, 10 seconds remaining. Yes. Pinasa. Mira. Go. Nakabuti. Diaz pa rin. 1 minute, 52 seconds. 2 points by Diaz. Pancho. Pasalang ito sa nasa ilalim. Ano ba? Ano ba isa? Fight to shoot. Nakabuti. Diaz, giving the ball. Wala pa rin. Bola na orange team, sayang. Tama na ba? Time out by Blue Team. Blue Team, pasok na ba? First time. Pancho holding the ball. Pancho inakas. Pancho. Foul. Number 8. Número 3. Muy good. Last 50 seconds. Nakapasok na rin ang Pancho. Backcourt violation. Backcourt violation. 48 seconds remaining. 64-22 in favor of Orange Team. Diaz. Pass. So, Ferdinand. Setting the play. Alam ni Diaz. Diaz. Diaz sa turn ball. 2 points. 30 seconds remaining. As we can say, 14, Pacho, 20 seconds. Pinasela rin kayo ng dos. 2 points. 10 seconds remaining. Diaz. 5 seconds. 2, 1.